as I talked in the previous class, we are supposed to create a function, customizable function today. So let's define a function to tokenize sentence, words of the sentence, and then df tokenize words. It's the name of the function, and we need one argument. So please go and see the 0-level programming videos. So tokenize units, I name it this argument, and we place this argument here. And let's take care of the indentation, and we should return what this tokenize engine, the function must return. And let's see this. Let's print tokenize words, but we need one argument. So this example data, text data, let's print it. So you see here that it tokenized words, and it's customizable function. So it's tokenizing this sentence, and it's customizable function here. You just change the argument. And let's create the second function, tokenize sentence. So we need one argument, tokenize send unit, and so we repeat whatever we have done this here. So we need what? We need not word tokenize, but send tokenize. Let's use this. And then we need one argument to this send tokenize. We have this, and let's name this arrival tokenize engine, and we return this function returns what? Tokenize engine. When we run the code, it returns tokenize engine. So let's see this tokenize sentence. If we print it, we see here in the below that it tokenized sentence of the paragraph. Then you see here, you see. Okay, so then let's see both of them now. Send tokenize, word tokenize. Let's see both of them. So here you see the difference. It's easy, but I just want to show you. Or we can create print. Let's print some patterns in order to separate word tokenize and send tokenize in the printing. Here we go. So the first tokenized word is tokenized words, see, and the next one send tokenized sentences. So here it is. It's for now. See you next time, world.